Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create these customized inserts for your makeup drawers. So if you'd like to see how I created these, then please keep on watching. So to create these inserts, you are going to need a pencil, a cutting knife, some glue. These anti-slip sheets are optional and I ended up not using them, but if you like to, you can use them. And you're also gonna need a big ruler like this one and of course some foam board. These are 70 centimeters long, 50 centimeters wide, and 5 millimeters thick, and I think this was the perfect size for my drawers. So before we actually start cutting, we want to measure how long the pieces should be and also how wide we want them. So that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm going to mark with my pencil where I want to cut, and I think I wanted my pieces to be 42 centimeters long and then 5 centimeters wide. So first I'm going to mark it at 42 centimeters, and then since I want the pieces to be 5 centimeters wide, I'm going to mark it at 5 centimeters, then 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and so on. I don't know, I'm kind of bad at explaining, so I think it's better if you just watch. So now I'm going to start by cutting this piece of foam board so that all the pieces will be 42 centimeters long when I cut them next. Now I'm just going to flip the foam board over and cut all the pieces according to my measurements. Now that I have all my long and short pieces, we're gonna start gluing everything together. I decided to put this anti-slip sheet in my drawer to protect it in case I got some glue in the drawer, but it was just way too much work, so I ended up not doing it to the other drawers and removing the one I put in this drawer. Anyways, now before we start gluing, we're just gonna make sure that all the pieces fit into the drawers, and if they don't, you just wanna fix it so that they fit. Then we're just going to glue all the foam board pieces together to create a rectangle inside the drawer. This might seem like an unnecessary step, but trust me, this is what's going to hold it all together. I've done this once before a couple of years ago and I skipped this part and it all fell apart within just a few weeks. So once you have all 4 pieces in your drawer, it's time for the fun part, and that is to create the dividers for your makeup. You can do this however you want, but what I did was I laid out all the makeup how I wanted it to go inside the drawer, and then I just cut the pieces so that they would fit. Then you just want to glue everything together and you've got the perfect dividers personalized for your makeup collection. Here's another example of how I did my foundation and concealer drawer. I just put the products how I wanted them to be and then I added the foam board pieces. And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!